Hi, let's take a peek inside the Wonder Room today. So on our front table, we've set up a little construction zone roadway with some of our little small vehicles, and then a little roadway path, pegs. We have a little loose part project here where you can make a person or some other type of design there. Our woodland community, a woodland small world. What's in our exploration bin? Purple. Plant some flowers. Do a little I Spy. Construction, farm, dolls, kinds of small things to check out and use. There's some construction. Oops. Our register area. Cooking. Oh, you left a bit of a mess. I'm gonna have to straighten that. Do a little reset before I leave. And then in the art room, more purple. And of course, you could choose whatever you want from our art supplies and create whatever you want. Or go outside. Let's see. There's ramps, balls, easel, chalk. We've got the water table going, and a huge sandbox. I hope you come to visit.